Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 4 of this build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we already started level 2, and here we're gonna continue working on this. We're gonna add some windows, and then we're gonna add the floor, and maybe we're gonna add the roof afterwards. So let's add in the windows for here for now. So we're gonna add the window that we added in the first floor. So let's go back to first floor and then let's check out what we added. So this will be the window. So I'm gonna click CS and then we're gonna add the same wall or window. So I'm gonna add this window right here and then let's add it here. And then this as well. We are gonna add a sliding door in this position. So that bedroom 3 and the master's bedroom will have access for the balcony. So a good thing as well to do is to create a room separator for this so that we could also add the room tag. So that's added. And let's look at it at 3D. So we have this design on 3D. And let's go back to level 1. I want to add dimensions on everything. So let's click on align dimension and then entire wall and then go to options and then let's click on the opening and then the widths at the center and then intersection wall. So we have a dimension on that side, this side as well, and let's add this one as well. And then after that, let's add in the whole dimension. So this and then here as well. And then let's go to level 2 and do the same thing. So we added the dimensions. So that's a fast way of adding dimensions on everything. So we have the level 1 here with this dimensions and then level 2 as well with all the dimensions. So now let's go to level 2 and let's add in the floor. So click on floor and then edit type. Let's duplicate this as this is the default floor. And let's add floor number 1. Press OK. Edit. The thickness should be 200. And let's change the material. And then after that, click on rectangle. And let's add in like that. And then after that, let's add in the opening for the stairs. And we still have to work on this. TR to trim. And then TR again for this. Once you're happy, click finish and click don't attach. So we have our floor. Let's go back to level 1. And now we could open this wall. We don't actually need this wall. So now if you go back, it's supposed to be like that. So okay. Go back to level 1 and let's add the same floor on this area. So I always start with rectangle so it's easy. And then after that, I create something like this and then trim and extend afterwards. I'm going to align this for now and then TR AL on this. I realized that this is the one below, so we don't need to put it in the middle. The reason that we put the middle for the second floor is because it's the proper way of adding floors. Structurally wise, that's the proper way. And then click finish once you're done. And then let's add in another floor, but we're just going to duplicate this to floor number 2. This will be for the garage. And we're just going to edit this to change the material of the floor. Click finish. And we can actually extend this wall up to there. So now it's taking shape. Let's extend this as well to the same face. We have our balcony here, which we're gonna extend actually So I'm gonna edit this floor. So let's go back to level 2. I'm just gonna edit this boundary. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it outside the low. Trim this. And then trim this part to this part as well. Don't attach. So it looks like that. What you can do is this will be covered anyway, so don't worry about that. So now we're gonna create our roof. So let's go to south elevation. We're gonna add 2000 at the top. So copy and then put in 2000. And then this level 4, we need to show it again. So view, plan view, floor plan, and then press OK. So let's add in the roof. So go back to architecture, click on roof, and then it will ask you what level you're gonna put it. Pick level 3, press yes, and then let's edit this type and then duplicate. This will be roof number 1. Press OK, edit. Around 150 thickness is good enough. And let's choose copper. And then OK, and then OK again. And then now we're gonna use this pick line. And then first we're gonna do the perimeter. So something like that. TR for trim. And then click finish. I want this to be changed, so I'm gonna edit this footprint. Click this line and uncheck this define slope. Once it's done, it will look like this. We're gonna fix that later. And then this one, we could go to south elevation. We could pull this down. So this is pulled. And let's create a roof by extrusion. Pick a plane. I'm gonna choose this plane. Press OK. And then we just need to create the extrusion. Something like that. Click finish. And let's look at it at 3D. Now we just need to extend this and pull this back. Once you extend this, what you can do is you go to modify and then join. So we're gonna join this roof to this roof. So it will look like that. Go to south elevation, and let's pull this up a little bit like that. So I'm pulling this out like that. And then I'm gonna align the face like that. Let's add in another roof right here and also here. So same idea. So click on roof and then the drop down and then extrusion. Pick a plane. Let's choose this plane, level 4, and then create your design. And then click finish. And then again, just pull it back and let's pull this forward. And then let's align this. Like that. And then join them. And then lastly, we're gonna do it on this area. Somewhere here. And then let's just mirror this. Click finish. And then go back to 3D to pull it back. Once it's done, let's join them all together. Similar to that. And we're gonna fix it. So So for this one, we're going to attach it to the roof. As you can see, it attaches itself. This one as well. Click on the wall and then attach to top. So just double check if there's like gaps that you need to attach the wall up there. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.